Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2023 Land Rover Range Rover. This SUV came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Okay, there is a small scratch right here. Okay, I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on the driver's side and the back. Now that we're looking at the passenger side, we're going to make sure everything here looks good. And so far, I do not see any dents or scratches. And so far, all of the wheels on this car are in perfect condition. Now let's take a look inside. Driver's side is good. Now the passenger side. Alright, the passenger side is in good condition as well. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. We're going to start off with the center console. Okay, everything here looks really good. I'm not seeing any Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks perfect. And also, around the steering wheel looks good as well. So the interior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.